Hello traders and welcome to ChrisFX. You know about the current situation with prop firms and especially with CFDs, prop firms. This situation of traders being scammed has led me to go for futures, or at least I said to myself, let's go ahead and try futures. Many people are talking very positive about futures and the whole futures industry. So I will tell you right now that this was the best decision of my life. There is no question about that. And specifically in this tutorial, I'm gonna be talking about Apex Trader. I'm gonna show you how to use the website and how to choose an account. And of course, I have very good news. I have a very nice code for you, which will give you an 80% discount, 80, guys, for every single month, for every single challenge that you will be taking. So let's go right ahead and begin with our video. So you just click on the link that you find in the description, and then you get taken to this page right here, Apex Trader Funding. Over here, you will see that you can choose. I will take you very quickly and I will tell you that you can choose the rhythmic plan, which is cheaper, or it is just a little bit cheaper, like $3 per account almost, or you can go ahead and select the Trade-of-8 plan. Why do I have the Trade-of-8 plans, generally speaking? Because with Trade-of-8 you can connect it to your trading view and you can go ahead and trade from your trading view instantly, which is amazing actually. And here you can see those trades were taken with the hyper scalping strategy that I'm using. If you want to join us, I'm going live every single day for hours and hours, and we are scalping back and forth with the trading signals. I also have a link for 30% off for a lifetime in the signals service. What else could you be asking for? Let's move forward. You will go ahead and you will choose if you want to start with futures. You can go ahead and start with this, the Trade-of-8 plan. The most important thing is that this one, the 50K account, is the best value for money. The reason for that is that they have a profit goal of $3,000 and you are allowed to go ahead and trade $2,500. If you could go, for example, and choose the 100K account, let's go ahead and choose the 100K, then you have a target of 6,000 that you see right here, which is of course exactly double the profit goal of this account, but you have a trailing threshold. This does not go double, so this does not go to 5,000. This goes only $500 more than the 50K, so it's not worth it at all. This is by far the best one, and this is the easiest one to pass, the 25K. Now let's go ahead and analyze the trailing threshold. Those are the most important things and the most important questions that have to be answered, guys. So what is the trailing threshold? Let's go ahead and analyze it. We have the profit goal and the trailing threshold right here. Let me go ahead and tell you what those things mean. And by the way, here those accounts are doing fantastic. All of my accounts are doing fantastic, and this one is almost passed. I need another $500 in order to pass this one. Okay, I went ahead and closed this order. We don't care about this order. Let me show you what these things mean. I will tell you that we have the $50,000 account, as we said. And if I start and say I have the 50K account up here, you see that you need to hit a profit, guys, of how much did we say? Dollars. And usually I suck in drawing the dollar sign, but we will say that you have to hit the profit of $3,000. And you have a trailing threshold, which is your trailing drawdown actually, threshold of $2,500, guys, $2,500. What do these things right here mean? Of course, this is the profit target that you need to hit. Let's assume though that you start with your 50K account. I have my $50,000 account, and I go up, I take a trade and I go up to, first of all, let's say that I'm allowed to go down to 47,500. Why? Because 50,000 minus the threshold, this is how much my account can go down to. But let's assume now that you are taking a trade which takes your account to 50,500. So you are $500 in profit. And you haven't closed, take this scenario in your mind, and you haven't closed any partial profits, any profits at all. Then you place your stop loss at break even. Price goes up to 50,500, then it comes all the way down and stops you at break even. And your account is again at the beginning balance of $50,000. What does this mean right now for your trailing threshold? Your trailing threshold now counts from the highest balance, and the highest balance was 50,500. So now you are allowed to lose only until 48,000. So you are allowed to lose only $2,000. And this might seem very scary. And it is not the best thing, of course. This goes away when you become funded. Do not worry about it. I will talk about it as well. But this also kind of makes you have good habits, which means that it is telling you close partial profits or close profits. Do not let the account run and run and run without removing any of your profits, which is a very good habit, I will tell you. It is very good to close profits aggressively, in my opinion, especially if you are scalping. And again, if you want to be part of my trading signals where we are calling normal trades, and we are also doing a lot of hyper scalping, which means we are taking lots of trades, of winning trades with fantastic statistics, of course, then go ahead and join us. Okay, for the moment, let me go ahead and open one of the accounts and show you my statistics so that you will know that we have fantastic statistics. I will go this month, I will click on go, and I will show you now my statistics right here on the screen, and I will zoom in. What does it say here? It says winning trades 64.94% and losing trades 33.86% out of 251 trades, guys, that have been taken just in 10 days, within 10 days. This is the gross profit and loss, and those are the commissions. If you subtract them, then you have the total profit and loss. Furthermore, you see our reward to risk, which is fantastic, 33. We are winning as an average trade, and we are losing 23.6, which is giving you an 1.4 to 1 with a 65% winning percentage, which for scalping is fantastic for those of you who know about scalping. And those trades are 251 trades. It is not one trade. So you can assume that the statistics are pretty accurate. Actually, the trailing drawdown, you have to be aware of it, okay? In the very same way, if you go ahead and make, let's say, $52,000 and you close the profits, all the profits, now the trailing threshold is gonna go $2,000 up. So now your trailing threshold will be at 49,500. So be aware of those things. They are very, very important. Let's go ahead and delete those, and we will proceed, and I will show you more things of how to purchase the account with an 80% discount. And here we go again, guys. Here we go. Let's suppose you click on the link down in the description, you choose the 50K account or whichever account you want to choose, and then you go ahead and fill in your info right here. Now, one thing that you should do right here when you go ahead to purchase your account, you will place the code that you see on your screen right now, and you see it is approved. This you will find in the description as well. In order for you to place the code, click on the link down in the description, and when you purchase the account, this code will give you an 80% discount on every single buy, on every single purchase, and on every single renewal that you will be doing. So let's go ahead and show what those things mean. Here, instead of paying, because this is a monthly subscription, instead of paying $187 per month, you have an 80% discount with my code, so you will be paying only 20% of that. So you will be paying for the 50K account only $37.4 per month, which is absolutely fantastic. And the same applies to the other ones. This one, for example, you will be paying $41, something like that, and so on. Now the thing is that this will be charged monthly until you pass your account. If you fail your account, do not go ahead and reset it because it is more expensive. I would suggest that you purchase a new account because it is way cheaper. So this is a monthly subscription until you pass your account. When you pass your account, then you are given the opportunity, the choice to either go ahead and say that I want, for example, to go ahead and pay monthly, or I can purchase the account once and for all, and I can take my time. So what does this mean? When the time comes and you have passed your account, it is preferable to pay one time. It is an extra $140, I think. So for the whole 50K, it will have cost you like almost $200, let's say, not even that. You can trade up to 20 accounts. As you can see right here, if I go to my Trade-O-Wait, you will see that I have 4 challenge accounts running. Those accounts exactly right here. And I am about to pass one of the 50Ks. And of course, we are doing fantastic on all of the other accounts as well. We are in a very good positive. So just a quick recap, you click on the link down in the description. If you want to be able to trade from the TradingView platform, which is going to be my very next video, I will show you how to do that. You need to select not this one, the rhythmic plan, but this one, the Trade-O-Wait plan. You purchase it, go ahead, you place my code that you will also find down in the description for an 80% discount on every single purchase that you make every single month, and then you are all set to trade. Now the thing is, I will be making, my next video is going to be on how to connect the Trade-O-Wait with your TradingView in order for you to be able to trade from TradingView straight ahead. I will show you exactly how to trade on TradingView, and then I'm gonna go through other tutorials on how to trade from this platform, which is the Trade-O-Wait platform. You will find it very nice to trade from here. There are some beautiful things that you can do and many tricks that I'm teaching as well with my class, in my class. So go ahead and join me as well. I have the huge discount. This you can also find down in the comment section. I will place it as the first link, guys. Okay, 30% discount for the lifetime. So this is a quick tutorial on Apex Trader. Let's go back and say that here you can qualify for as little as 7 trading days. If you pass the account in one day, then you can just place one micro contract and close the trade for the other 6 days to count as trading days. But sometimes there is a certain promotion where they allow you to pass in one day and get your funded account within the one day. And the trailing threshold, we talked about it. Now you have to close all your trades at 459. You don't need to worry about the maximum position size, because if you pass it, the system will not allow you to place more contracts, so you are not losing anything, and you can trade during news as well, guys. Okay, this is fantastic. Go ahead and grab your 80% discount with the steps that I told you. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to connect your Trade-O-Wait with TradingView and how to trade from TradingView, and more videos to follow on how to trade from Trade-O-Wait and connect all of the accounts and trade them at the very same time. Also, if you want to find the best prop firms, I still have links down in the description. You can check out Prop Firm Match and they will find you the best out of the best deals. And if you use my link and my code, you get double the points. Remember that. So this is gonna do it for today, traders, and thank you all for watching. Until next time.